In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate SalesIQ with CRM in Zoho SalesIQ. Before we begin, here's the big picture. Integrating Zoho SalesIQ with Zoho CRM helps your sales and support teams see website visitor activity alongside customer records, so conversations and leads stay in sync. To set this up smoothly, make sure you're signed in with an account that has admin privileges in both Zoho SalesIQ and Zoho CRM. That's important because this connection uses OAuth, a secure authorization method that only admins can approve. Start by signing in to Zoho SalesIQ with your admin account. If you manage multiple Zoho organizations, double-check that you're in the correct portal to avoid linking the wrong workspace. It also helps to close any extra signed-in tabs to prevent the browser from picking up a different profile. Once you're in, head to the Settings area. From there, go to Developers, then open Integrations. This is the central place where you'll find all the available services that can connect with SalesIQ. Look for the Zoho CRM option. It typically appears as a dedicated tile or card within the integrations gallery, making it easy to spot. Click Zoho CRM and you'll land on the Connect with Zoho CRM page. Here, click Enable to link the accounts. When you do, SalesIQ will initiate an OAuth flow. In simple terms, OAuth securely asks Zoho CRM for permission to let SalesIQ access the data it needs. You might see a confirmation screen showing which organization and permissions are being requested. Review the details so you're certain you're granting access to the right CRM account and organization, and then proceed as prompted. If a new window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow them temporarily for this step. Because this integration must be performed by an admin in both products, if you don't see the Enable option or you're denied access, it's usually a permissions issue. Switch to the correct admin account and try again. Also, if your company uses multiple data centers or regions, make sure both SalesIQ and CRM belong to the same region under the same organization. Once the connection is enabled, you're done. Your SalesIQ instance is now linked with Zoho CRM through a secure OAuth connection, paving the way for visitor insights and CRM records to work together. If you ever need to review or manage this connection later, return to the same integrations area in SalesIQ. That's all it takes. Sign in as an admin, go to Settings, open Developers and Integrations, choose Zoho CRM, and click Enable to link the accounts securely with OAuth.